Hello friends, welcome to another new video. Today I am going to tell you which embroidery machine you should buy and what things you should keep in mind before buying one. In this video, I will explain everything clearly. An embroidery machine should be dedicated only to embroidery. It should not be a sewing and embroidery combination machine. It should also have high speed and be suitable for continuous work. It should not stop again and again while you are working throughout the day. Your work should continue without interruption. When buying a machine, you should also check whether it supports a USB flash drive. The machine should have a USB port. The embroidery hoop should be at least 10 inches in size. Whichever brand you choose, make sure it has service support in your area. Its spare parts should also be easily available in your area. If you face any small problem in the future, you should be able to get it repaired easily. Now, let's talk about which machines are small, which ones are large, and which brands are the best. I will explain all of that now. The first machine is the USHA Janome 450E. Its embroidery area is 8 by 11 inches. Its price is 1,10,000 rupees. The next machine is the USHA Janome 550E. Its embroidery area is 8 by 14 inches. Its price is 1,50,000 rupees. Apart from the hoop size, both of these machines offer almost the same features. These features include design transfer through a USB flash drive, adjustable embroidery speed, automatic thread cutter, programmable jump thread trimming, bobbin thread sensor, embroidery speed of up to 860 stitches per minute, built-in embroidery designs, extra wide extension table, automatic speed control, on-screen editing functions. The next machine is the Brother Innov-is V3 SE embroidery machine. Its embroidery area is 11.8 inches by 7.8 inches. Its price is 1,80,000 rupees. It also comes with many useful features. These include an embroidery foot with an LED pointer, an automatic needle threader, an extra large color touchscreen, an embroidery foot with an LED pointer, and an automatic needle threader. The next machine is the HSW 1216 single head computerized embroidery machine. Its embroidery area is 300 by 400 millimeters, which is approximately 12 by 15 inches. It also comes with many useful features. It has 12 needles. Its maximum speed is 1000 RPM. It supports both automatic and manual thread trimming. It has a thread breakage detection system. It also supports USB and Wi-Fi connectivity. If you want to cover a large embroidery area in a single run, or if you want to embroider a complete suit at one time, then you can choose the HSW 2848 single head computerized embroidery machine. It comes with 12 needles that work together at the same time. If you want to start a small embroidery business, then you can choose the USHA Janome 450E or the USHA Janome 550E. These machines are ideal for small businesses. The Brother Innov-is V3 SE embroidery machine is also a good choice for starting a small embroidery business. However, if you are planning to start a larger business and want to handle bigger workloads, then you can choose the HSW 1216 single head computerized embroidery machine. You can also choose the HSW 2848 single head computerized embroidery machine. In this machine, all 12 needles work together at the same time. That's all for today's video. We will meet again in another new video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment.